and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Idea. Okay, I don't know from which company, but you can see by using this we can trace any number. Hello friends, it's Akshay and today I'm back with some amazing science program, Python program. Okay, so for this we are going to trace phone numbers. You heard me right. We are going to trace phone numbers. No, not exactly the location. We are going to trace that from which country it is calling and what is the SIM card service he is using. It means that he is using Jio, Airtel, BSNL or any other. So first we are going to install phone numbers. So for installing it, you just need to write pip install phone numbers and it will be installed. And now we are going to import carrier. Carrier just means that we are going to know from which SIM card it is going to use, and then the geocoder. It means that the from which location. So then we are going to take the input. Okay, this is a different type of name, but I like this. Then change number. I've made a variable, and then phone number dot trace. We will trace the phone number, and then comma ch. This code will be in the description, so don't worry about this. And then for the service provider, I made another variable, and then again we are tracing it. Then we are going to print the location of that. I mean the geo coder, the location of that in English. We can also print in French or any Canadian, everything. I will give the documentation of that phone tracer, I mean the phone number, in the description, so you can go there and explore it more wisely. And then after printing it, it will be done. So this program is amazing for me because anybody does a prank call, you can just put this number and you can know who is it. So let me run this program, and then after it runs, it will ask me for the input. And I'm not writing this program because there is a reason, as you can see in here the variables are so difficult to write. So I have to check 5 times the documentation to know what the heck this attribute is, because every time I got an error. So don't find it. Now let's enter our phone number. So +91 because it was of India, and I'm not using any type of number. I'm just putting in here starting from 9 to just any number. Let me see. Okay, so I should also talk it to points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is any number. I don't know who is it is, but it is from India and it is Airtel. So by this you can just know. I am another time, and then +91, and then any number started from 8. Okay, I have to count also. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Idea. Okay, I don't know from which company, but you can see by using this we can trace any number randomly. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more amazing videos like this. You can see how amazing this program is. So please, I deserve a like, and this channel subscribe. Okay, so thank you.
Feel me like a Hellcat.